Hi guys, so we are doing a different video today, kind of a sit down chat away with you guys. I have my husband here and my little baby boy. You say hi? The girls are in school, so we figured we would just sit down real quick and just to give you guys an update. So we have been vegan now, I say, over 4 months
Yeah.
or so.
Yeah,
And he's gonna be a squirmy wormy. And I just figured I would give an update. I'm sure a bunch of people are curious how it's going, and yeah. So I guess we'll start with let's start with the cons.
Okay.
What are a couple cons so far since turning vegan?
Couple cons. I think it's kind of hard. With so yeah, it was just hard. It's hard to find, I guess, foods that I used to like to eat. For example, like I used to eat burgers and love burgers. So it was just hard finding things to kind of satisfy that, that craving and whatnot that I would get, every now and then. It's a little bit easier, now that we're like 4 or 5 months in. But yeah, you just gotta try out new things, that is vegan and whatnot, and eventually you'll find something that satisfy that, that craving and whatnot.
So a con is you didn't think it was hard to find things that taste like the old stuff you're eating.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I think a con for me would be just a lot of it was just different textures and different things. Like, certain things I wasn't used to eating before. Like I never thought I would like tofu because the texture and stuff. So it took a little used to, but then I learned how to cook it right. So now I love it. And then cons, I think, too, are just like it's hard for us socially. Like when we go to family parties, like I am Puerto Rican and Spanish, and my family they eat pork and ham, and just every party is like a buffet of meat. So we learned a lot about, when we go to weddings and stuff, having to just fend for ourselves and just eat what we could that was majority, what we could was vegan, which half the time it would just be salad, maybe some vegetables or something. So to me, that was like a con, is just kind of having to get used to that type of stuff. But now a lot of our family knows that we're vegan, so a lot of them have been trying to be more accommodating to us, which is cool. But yeah, I just think that the hardest part has just been trying to find, like, when we go out to restaurants and stuff, trying to find things that work. You can make it work, but it's a lot harder, and especially for the kids, because for them, we're still getting our youngest used to eating salad. She's not a big salad fan, so we're trying to find different ways that we can make a salad more enjoyable for her. But other than that, I feel like there's a lot more pros than cons.
Yeah.
One other con, it's not a bad con, but we have been going number 2 a lot. I noticed that changed a whole lot since being vegan. How about you?
Yeah,
I mean,
agree.
it's good and bad because you become normal if you weren't before, but that definitely changed. Okay, so it's just me right now. The baby was getting fussy, he needed a snack, so Pete took him. So for pros, a pro would be I've dropped 15 pounds. I'm sure that's a pro for anyone, especially in my situation, being slightly overweight and stuff. That's one thing that is benefiting me, is definitely helping to lose weight. So yeah, I've dropped 15 pounds so far. And other pros are just all the delicious and nutritious food that we're eating. Like, I've learned so much more about my health and the things I'm putting into my body now, like stuff that I would have never touched in a grocery store before, because now I'm so health conscious about what I'm eating and making sure it's vegan. I never read labels before, and it's the first thing I do. I'm in the store a lot longer now because of reading labels, because I'm still learning, believe it or not. 4 months in, there's still a bunch of stuff that I'm, not sure what it means. So I'm like quickly Googling it to make sure it isn't animal processed or anything. So yeah, but I'm eating so many different things. I'm cooking with different spices like turmeric and ginger and just stuff that I would never have used before. I just thought was gross. Like I said, tofu, I never would have touched it and absolutely love it now. Tofu scramble is like a dinner in our house at least once a week now. And I'm excited. Like every time I go grocery shopping and come home with bags of, you know, the produce and the fruits and the different things, I'm excited, you know. So I'm still learning, but yeah, so that's another pro. Uh-oh, he's fussing in the background. And then other things that have changed, my taste buds have changed too. Like I said, I find that I'm not craving stuff like I used to. Like that first month, in the beginning, I would want, you know, like a good burger or scrambled eggs or something like that. I've never been a milk fan, so that's been pretty easy for me, switching to almond milk. But here and there, I would crave for that meat, you know, flavor. But the awesome thing is there's so much that I didn't know about that, you know, tastes like it. Like Pete was saying earlier, we found, what's that burger brand we like? Hold on, buddy. Yeah, Beyond Meat. They have those burgers that taste amazing. So you just have to look a little bit more. But, okay, he's back. So like I was saying, there's so much that we didn't know about, you know, venturing out into the grocery stores that we have been able to find a lot more that taste like chicken nuggets for the kids, hot dogs. I mean, yes, a lot of that is still processed, but I'd rather eat this healthier vegan process than the process we were eating before. We are slowly trying to wean away from anything processed and eat a lot more fruits and vegetables and rice and beans, like that type of stuff. But like I said, it's only been 4 months, but to some people that's long, but to us, it's not. We're still learning a lot and transitioning as much as we can. But overall, I feel like it's been a good improvement to us. We've had more energy for the most part. We do have 3 kids, so yeah. I think that's always going to be an issue of being tired at the end of the day. Yeah. But your skin too, you said, is cleared up. You haven't had any breakouts?
Yeah, I feel like it's definitely helped with my skin. I've had bad skin like most of my life, so yeah, definitely noticed the change, clearing up and whatnot. Yeah, Pete made me lose my train of thought.
But yeah, it's definitely been an improvement. And even for our kids, like it's amazing to me, my oldest, how she's so conscious now of what she's eating and used to buy lunch in school and now refuses to because she doesn't know if it's vegan. So I think that's so funny, but awesome. So I pack their lunches every day now. She takes a salad. So yeah, so far, like I said, it's been overall a really good change for our entire family, right? And then I know he wanted to touch base on one more thing as far as a change that you've noticed.
Yeah, definitely going vegan as, you know, as a guy, or maybe a girl too. You will lose weight if you're not eating enough calories, because vegan food, at least the fruits and vegetables, you know, are have less calories. So if you want to either maintain or gain weight, which I'm trying to gain weight, you definitely will need to eat more in order to you know, reach the caloric goals that you're trying to reach. So keep that in mind if you're trying to gain weight or maintain weight.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So as far as us, if we are going to stay vegan, I say yes. We plan on it, right?
Yep. So yes for me too.
We plan on it. We've, like I said, I've only done nothing but improve ourselves, and we're excited about it, and we're still learning a lot. It's a whole learning process, but yeah, so go vegans, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any tips or tricks that would help us continue on with our transitioning to make things better or easier for us, definitely let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to continue to follow us on our journey. I'll try to keep posting as many recipe videos and stuff as I can, and hauls. You guys tend to like those. And he'll keep doing different things on his channel as well. Check him out if you don't know that he has a channel as well. And yeah, so we will see you guys in our next one. Bye.